Welcome to our part 10 of our quick start tutorial list on TextBlob in Python. So, and we are going to talk about the spelling corrections on words. If maybe from the definition of the TextBlob text that we will be using, if there is a word that will be spelled wrongly, TextBlob serves the purpose to spell correct the word into a correct spelling. So we can just do that on our text editor. Maybe define a text that will have a word that is spelled wrongly. For example, do you know me? The word know is spelled wrongly. So let's see whether TextBlob can be able to correct the word. So we are going to use the TextBlob defined. So to get the correct spelling, let's see, now we are going to call let's just print the TextBlob and see whether if we call the method correct, it will give us the correct spelling of the word. So print blob dot blob dot correct. Let's see. You can see it gave us the correct spelling of the word do you know me. So and that's how amazing TextBlob can be on spelling correction of the words. So the other thing we are going to do is on the word object we have the spell check. We can check whether the word is spelled correctly, and it returns a list of the word and the confidence tuple of the spelling suggestion. So, for example, we can use the word, for example, let's define a word. Flexible. Flexible. Then, let's check the spell correct of the word. Let's print w dot spell check method. So, let's print that. As you can see, the word flexible was given. This is the word, this is the confidence, showing that the word was correctly spelled. Let's twist the word to a wrong spelling, like flexible, flexible. Let's see the output of the word when we write it wrongly. As you can see, these are the words and the spell check. So as you can see now, as we read the word, so we are given the options of the words that the correctly written or spelled word flexible and flexibly, and that's how you spell check the words using TextBlob.